Mastering Fun Idioms, Ring Toss, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a playful English phrase that's both a literal game and a figurative expression. We're talking about ring toss. Stay tuned as we explore the depths of this phrase, its origins, and how you can use it to add a splash of fun to your English conversations. Ring toss is not just a phrase. It's a classic carnival game that has been enjoyed by people of all ages for generations. In this game, the goal is to throw rings made of plastic, rubber, or even metal onto pegs or within a marked area. Scoring can depend on which peg a ring lands on or how many rings land within the target zone. It's simple yet challenging, and it's all about precision and a bit of luck. Beyond a literal game, ring toss can be an idiom, too. As an idiomatic expression, it might refer to trying various things with the hope of achieving some success, much like throwing rings in the hope one lands on the target. It can imply a degree of randomness or lack of control over the outcome, just like in the actual game. So, how can you weave this phrase into your daily English? Let's look at some examples. When discussing a friend's varied attempts at finding a new hobby, you might say, "He's really been playing ring toss with hobbies lately." Talking about various business strategies, one might comment, "We've been doing a bit of a ring toss to see which marketing strategy sticks." In both cases, the phrase paints a vivid picture of someone attempting many different options in the hopes of finding the right one. Ring toss is more than just a game at a fair. It's a colorful part of the English language that captures the essence of trying out different things to see what works. We hope this video has been both informative and entertaining, and we look forward to bringing you more fascinating insights into English phrases and idioms. Keep practicing, and maybe you'll find using idioms in English as fun as a game of ring toss. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, keep playing with language.